To add a widget to a stock widget on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, while you are on your home screen, long tap a stock widget, and then tap Edit Stock. Swipe the pop-up to the left, and then tap the plus icon. As the example, we will add the Bixby Vision mode widget to the stock. Tap the Bixby Vision, tap the mode widget, and then tap Add to add this widget to the stock. Tap anywhere outside the widget. As you can see, the Bixby Vision mode widget has been added to the stock widget. If needed, you can repeat this step to add another widget to this stack. By creating a stack, you can place multiple widgets in one place, so you can put more widgets on your home screen. To switch between widgets within a stack, swipe the widget to the right or left like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.